This call is now being recorded.
Hello students, in this video let us learn about Pödel equations, that is reducing a polar equation into Pödel equation. So consider the example, obtain the Pödel equation of the curve r is equal to a secant square theta by 2. Write the curve r equal to a secant square theta by 2. Now let us take log on both sides so that we can differentiate this easily. We have log r is equal to log of a secant square theta by 2. Now this is in the form of log a into b. We can write it as log a plus log b. So we'll take log a plus log of secant square theta by 2. Further, this term it is in the form of log a raised to m, hence we'll further reduce it as m log a. First term is kept as it is, second term we'll write it as 2 times log of secant theta by 2. Now we'll go for differentiating with respect to theta. Derivative of log r, that is 1 by r into dr by d theta. Log a is a constant term, derivative will be 0. Then 2 will keep as constant, derivative of log of secant theta by 2. It is 1 upon secant theta by 2 into the derivative of secant theta by 2, it is secant theta by 2 into tan theta by 2. Now further we have to differentiate theta by 2. So derivative of theta by 2, it is 1 by 2. So you can see that secant theta by 2 gets cancelled, even 2 from the numerator and denominator gets cancelled, and we are remained with cot phi, because 1 by r dr by d theta is cot phi is equal to tan of theta by 2. Now LHS is in terms of cot, RHS is in terms of tan. So try to reduce the RHS and write it in terms of cot. So we can write tan theta by 2 as cot of phi by 2 minus theta by 2. Now comparing the LHS and RHS, we have phi is equal to phi by 2 minus theta by 2. Now we'll go for reducing it to the polar form. So for that we'll consider P is equal to R sin phi. So P is equal to R sin pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Now R we have, then sine of 90 minus theta it is. Sine 90 minus theta, we know that it is cos theta by 2. Now P is equal to R cos theta by 2. But let me call the given equation as 1, so that this equation has to be converted into P and R terms only, calling this as equation 1. Now this as equation 2. From 1 we have r is equal to a secant square theta by 2. So this implies r by a is secant square theta by 2, and hence taking the reciprocal we have cos square theta by 2 is equal to a by r. If we write cos theta by 2, then we get root of a by r. To avoid this root, let us square equation 2. Squaring equation 2, we have p square is equal to r square cos square theta by 2. Now let us substitute the value of cos square theta by 2 from equation 3 in this. P square is equal to r square cos square theta by 2 is a by r from equation 3. R cancels off, P square is equal to AR. Now we have got the pedal equation of the given curve. So let us consider a similar other example. So let me write the example. Obtain the pedal equation of the curve. Obtain the pedal equation of the curve R is equal to, R is equal to A plus B cos theta. R is equal to A plus B cos theta. So again, we have to find the pedal equation for this curve. R equal to A plus B cos theta. Let us again take log on both sides. Log R is equal to log of A plus B cos theta. Now the RHS cannot be simplified because it is not in the form of log AB, it is in the form of log A plus B. So we can't simplify it now. So what we do is differentiate with respect to theta. Derivative of log R, it is 1 by R dr by d theta. Now derivative of log of A plus B cos theta, it is 1 upon A plus B cos theta, and derivative of A plus B cos theta, A is a constant term, derivative will be 0, B constant will keep as it is, derivative of cos theta, it is minus sin theta. So we have minus B sin theta divided by A plus B cos theta. The LHS 1 by R dr by d theta is nothing but cot phi. So we have cot phi equal to minus B sin theta upon A plus B cos theta. Now we know that for converting this into pedal equation, we will be considering the equation P equal to R sin phi. For this, we need what is sin phi. For that, let us, easily we can't find phi here from this equation. Hence, let us consider a triangle, mark an angle phi. Now, cot phi, we have got this, which is nothing but adjacent divided by opposite. So we'll take the adjacent side as minus B sin theta and the opposite side as A plus B cos theta. And we find the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square, better will write it as, it is equal to A plus B cos theta, its square, plus minus B sin theta, its square. So we have A square plus B square cos square theta plus 2AB cos theta plus B square sin square theta. Now from these two terms, if we take B square common, we have cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is 1. The remaining term, 2AB cos theta is written as it is. Hence, the hypotenuse square is A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Now, from this, we will write what is sin phi. So, sin phi, the sine of any angle, it is opposite by hypotenuse. So, we have the opposite side A plus B cos theta divided by, it is square root of A square plus b square plus 2ab into cos theta. Since we are written hypotenuse square here, we'll take the square root which represents the hypotenuse. So r again from 1, that is from the given equation, let me call that as equation 1, so that we can write a plus b cos theta is equal to r. From 1, r is equal to a plus b cos theta. Let us substitute it. A plus b cos theta is r. We have square root of a square plus b square plus 2a. Now what is b cos theta from this? B cos theta is equal to r minus a. This implies b cos theta is r minus a. Now this is our p. To avoid square root, let us square this equation. So squaring, we have p square is equal to r square divided by r square whole square it is. Already we have r square, if b square, again we get the square of it. A square plus b square plus 2ar minus 2a square. We have opened this bracket and removed the root because we have squared it. So p square is equal to r raised to 4 divided by b square plus 2ar minus a square it is. A square minus 2a square, we get minus a square. Hence, we write the pedal equation as p square into b square minus a square plus 2ar is equal to r raised to 4. This is the pedal equation for the given curve, r equal to a plus b cos theta. Thank you.